So guys, how does the setup work? It's very straightforward. You create a signal bot. I'll open that signal bot that I already have here. You go to the settings. Then the first step is to pick the right exchange with USDT, or in the case of Coinbase with USD. You name your bot, you put in 33 max concurrent positions because we have a 3% allocation. I will just run you quickly through the settings and then say a bit more about it. So we got 33 here, 1 here. You do a 3%, you calculate how much is 3% of the portfolio you want to trade. And that will be the fixed amount right here. Don't use that because this is just calculating the percent from your UST or USD balance, not from your total portfolio. This is important. Then we have a 7-day entry order expiration. We have those take profits, so 25, 50, 75, 100%. We have a 5% stop loss with the protection break even. So after first target is reached, the stop loss will be moved to the average entry price. So that is your initial entry price limit order. So you will not lose any more on that position if price goes back down after the first take profit. We do not use the stop loss timeout, and we use a 42 days time-based auto close. So which of the money management that you find in the VIP section, money management, is that? We are always talking about this one for professional traders with the 4 steps up to 100, 5% stop loss, move to break even at 25. This is exactly that one. Okay, it sounds a bit different, but that's exactly the same. So we could call it actually just break even, stop loss protection. Investment per trade, 3%, which you will calculate manually from your total account, total portfolio size. So if you have a $100,000 portfolio, you will calculate that by multiplying with 0.03, which of course gives you $3,000. So on this account, I'm currently, I think, at 170,000 multiplied with 0.03. So yeah, a little bit above that. We're going in with 5.15K on each trade. And on that, you can lose 5%, right? So looking at a portfolio, if you go into the stop loss on one position with a 3%, another 5% of that is just 0.15% of your portfolio. That's the risk you take per trade, 0.15%. And we limit that to 33 positions. So let's say you actually have 300K in that account, but you just want to use 100K for Tyson. It still will work like that because AllTrader will stop placing positions after 33 positions are open. So 33 times, let's say the $3,000 are open, and you can do with the rest of the money in the account whatever you want. After you did all that, you hit save, you copy your API keys, go into the block research app, pick your exchange, put in the keys, enable the automation, hit save, setup's done.